What's in the box? I don't even know. It's been so long. Wow. Goodness everywhere. Whew. Goodness everywhere. This little piece of brass. Man, that's too new to scrap. Might have to look at that. Scrapman 1969. See what he's got going on over there. Haven't been there to visit him for a while. Scrapman 1969. Alright, so let's go view the channel. Scrapman. Can't remember where he's from, but it's cold. Videos. Latest video. 3,100 views. Are mini motors worth the effort? There we go. What I've been working on all day. Yes, sir. Tell us about it.
Today, scrapped a little couple motors.
Yes, sir.
Let's see if it's worth it.
Couple motors. I've been working on that all day, Scrapman. I can't believe I just pulled up your video and there it is. Yeah, they're worth it. Nice piece of brass right there. Scrapman 69 going to town. I'm not going to mess with that today, but if I did, I'd cut it off right there and sell it as dirty copper. Not today's project. Neither is this really. I don't have a saw for that right now. I do have some gold. Look at there. I got some gold. I don't have anywhere to put my gold. I don't have anywhere to put my gold. Okay, come on. Silver contacts. I just started a bucket actually, and that's going to be my bucket every time for silver contacts when I get them. Trash. And I've been running across this here and there. I'm not sure what it goes to or whatever. It's almost like it's made of lead, but it's made of lead more than likely. If I could get it to stick right in there, I probably just would. Just leave it. Uh-oh, this looks like a seagull. I think I might, one day when I got a drill bit, I'll leave it right there. What's he cutting up? Oh, he's cutting the top off. Some of them things can be a bear to get off of. Or if I had my sawzall in here right now and it's not, it's under my tarp outside. Nice. I'm not really set up to do this, am I? I need a grinder. Everything's outside right now, and I don't feel like going out. Just at that point today. I don't want to get wet anymore. Coming towards the end of the day. Oh, I don't usually have that much trouble scrapping them things. Yeah, it's coming towards the end of the day where I'm starting to feel like I just don't want to get wet anymore. Couple things I'll have to deal with a little bit later. Got some lead there. This. Don't even know why I would ever need anything like that. Lost half of it. Literally. Hey, Dad. Dad's out there helping them today. You're blessed, Scrapman, to have a dad out there to help you. My dad died way too young.
Still out on this bucket, y'all. Good now. Forever filled.
Alright, it's giving me a little bit of a hard time, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, nice brass. Brassy. Cardboard. Come on. That's a lot of plastic on the outside of that, I'm not gonna lie.
It's on the elbow. In the vice, it's real dangerous. You reckon? Yeah. Well, I got 9 more.
That plastic is really hard right now. If I turned on my heater, held it in front of the heater for a minute, probably soften it up pretty good.
I hear this. Got them all them little copper motors.
But I don't have the heat on, so I'm not going to turn it on just for that.
There's all the motors you got. We're going to get the copper over here. Some of them I doubled on it.
I wonder what it would be like just for the... I guess maybe I am. Maybe I am. I don't know. It is definitely softer. You hear that noise? Scrapman 69 and got smart. Yep, went out and got smart. Making that money. Oh, I see how you're cutting them. I got you, brother. Hey, I just learned something from you. Oh, yeah, good idea. After you cut them open, just cut them one time with that. Oh, I love it. Guys see that? Look at there. These are them copper motors. It looks like from their microwaves.
We get all the copper out of them. So from all that, we got 2 buckets.
Look at that.
Well, 2 fire pots of that hairless copper.
Yeah.
It looks like hair.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Well, let's weigh it and see how much it would.
Oh.
Scales on 0.
Oh, show me the money. Oh, he's advertising on the scale. 10 ounces.
That's what we got. No,
10 ounces.
No, that's what we got.
Wow, that was a lot of them.
0.
Wow. That was a lot, dude. Ooh.
A pound.
That they are very, very, very hair
magnets.
type copper though, so.
Just be sure to like the video.
Yep.
Hype it up if you can.
There you go.
I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.
Thank you, brother.
God bless.
Thank you.